So having a health problem really creates preoccupation. Whether you want to be preoccupied or not, you're forced to be preoccupied with your condition. You have to deal with your aching stomach. You have to deal with the asthmatic problem, let alone being able to run around on the front yard with your children or being able to experience things that can be very precious to you in your life. It's worth it to get health back. But people are being told that there's nothing they can do about it. It's genetic. There's no known cause. It's irreversible. They're being set up to believe that many of these metabolic conditions that are the result of long-term, poorly managed nutrition and other environmental problems are just the result of something that's happened to them because of generations before them, or it's just a modern disease that's going on in our world. But in fact, many of these problems are reversible if we actually undo the way we got there in the first place.